Whenever I think about holidays, not only I think about the food and what cookings I'm gonna do, I also think about the flowers and decoration because you have to set the mood. You have to decorate the place too. So I have made few arrangements which I'm gonna show you how to make them. They are pretty simple and they are flexible. You can use different kind of stuff, whatever you have, or different ornaments to use them. This one is called Thomas Kincaid. But if you don't have this, you can get lots of different small house ornaments from any arts and craft stores, Michael's, Moscatel's, those places. Or you can even put candles if you want, just put them, make them centerpiece. So for this purpose, I have some different kinds of greeneries. I have some Noel leaves. I have some different kinds of pine leaves which I'm going to use for different purposes. Like Noel leaf is very good because they are kind of sturdy. It helps me to just set my parameters here, like make the diameter. So I'm going to use this. And I have some holly leaves. I have some pine cones I'm going to use for decoration. And I have some carnations, which is, they're perfect and they are the best flowers for holidays, especially Christmas, and they last forever. I have some red coffee beets and some red roses, and also I'm using a circle plate. And if you don't have this, you can use any plate you have, as long as it has little wall, because the oasis is going to absorb water and they're going to start letting the water out. So the oasis is, this is the oasis. You normally get it from arts and craft stores, and you have to wet them. This is already soaked in the water, and you have to soak it very well, because if the inside is not completely soaked, your flowers are not going to last longer. And you can also add some food, flower food into your water, so the food is going to be absorbed in your oasis and your flowers are going to last longer. I have also made some stitches before putting them in the water, so it absorbs water better. So for this purpose, I'm using one slab of oasis. Like I said, you can find it anywhere. So this is a little bigger for my plate, so I'm gonna cut the side. Actually, I'm gonna make two cuts. So I'm gonna put this in the middle and use this for the sides. If you are going to use this for your own house, you don't need to tape it. What I do, I use, you can use either branches too, sticks. I just put it in, it's gonna keep it. But if you want to move it somewhere, you can always tape them. You use these tapes, which also you buy them from arts and craft stores. So you tape this to your plate. And when this absorbs water, it's gonna stick. So I should have cut a little more. Okay, so we are gonna start by using our greeneries to set the base first. Then we are gonna start the flowers. So for, like I said, for this purpose, I'm using the Noel leaves, which these are sturdy and very, but they have a lot of small needles. You have to clean them. So we are gonna start putting this here and creating our circle. Okay. You clean this so it doesn't take too much space. Yeah, I have already cut them. Okay. So I set my parameter, my circle. So I'm gonna use now these leaves to fill it up, because these are better or softer. I'm going to put my Thomas Kincaid house in the middle also, so to know where my flowers and are going to go. I'm going to use some of the holly leaves. These are very pretty, but they have such a bad needles. It's really, you have to be very careful with this. So I'm going to put some of it. You can use the red beads too if you want. I'm gonna put some cones. What I did, I got the cones. They already have wires. You also can get this from arts and crafts stores. Normally I get them from Flower Mart. And I put them around these sticks. But if you don't have these sticks, don't worry about it. You can use the stems of the flowers you cut. So I'm gonna put one here. Okay. And I'm going to put one this side. I don't see where I'm putting. I'm going to put one in the back. If you want, you can put some of those bulbs too. You can decorate it with whatever you want. Maybe you can get one of these bulbs. You just put them around. You can get red, you can get white. You can get gold, whichever you want. I like these cones. They're very nice. So okay, now I'll check to see if I need to add more greens. But it looks beautiful. See? It's perfect. Like I said, you can use an arrangement like this if you have. This one has light too. And you just need some greeneries. And these pine branches, actually, I bought them from the Flower Mart, but then I went to Home Depot. Wherever they're selling fresh pine, Christmas trees, they always have cut branches, and they just give away free whoever wants to take them. So, and then You can put a candle, like I said, if you want to make it a centerpiece, or you can just make it like this. And this is a very nice decoration arrangement for your Christmas, and it lasts for a long time if you use nice and good fresh flowers. So here is our Thomas King cake. I hope you make it and enjoy it. I love flowers, and there is nothing more beautiful than flowers. So see you next time.